This is the main window of the WIC Reset utility. Whenever using WIC, we recommend connecting your printer via a USB cable. You'll find your printer listed on the left-hand side. Click this to see the functions that WIC allows on your printer. In this video, we'll be showing you how to do cleans for your printer. In this section here, marked cleaning, you'll notice a head cleaning option and an ink charge. The head cleaning option can be changed to multiple options, from gentle cleaning all the way through to a strong cleaning should you require it with a blocked print head. You can also do an ink charge, which is the initial ink charge a printer does when first turned on. This pulls a lot of ink through the printer, so only use the ink charge function if you have a severe blockage.